Hello, my dear students. Welcome to mathematics classes for 9th standard. Today we are going to start our chapter number 14, that is statistic. And today only in this video we will going to complete this full chapter. So let's start the video with your Jerry sir.
So students, now we are doing our chapter number 14, that is statistic, and it is based on the data, collection of data, and we have to represent the data in bar graph, histogram, polygons, that frequency polygon, and etc. But you have learned the basic things in the previous classes, and I have to tell you that this time CBSE have you can see that removed some topics. So let me tell you some topics which are related by CBSE. Like exercise 14.1 is fully related by the CBSE, so this will not come in your exam. So we will start with the presentation of data. So it's better to move towards the questions. Exercise 14.2. First question, which says that the blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. Blood group is given, so you have to represent this data in the frequency distribution table, in which you have to show the frequencies. Okay, now the blood group are given, as you can see here 30 students blood groups are given. Now A, B, O and AB. So A, B, O, AB, and with that another any blood group is there? No. So there are 4 types of blood group. How many? 4 types of blood group. A, then B, then O and AB. So we will, on the basis of these 4 types of blood group, we will make the frequency distribution table. So let's make in the copy. So I have made a table, as you can see 14.2 presentation of data we are doing. Question number 1, blood group A, B, AB and O. Tally marks frequency. Now we have to use tally marks here. So first A is there, so I will put 1 here. Then B is there, so I will put 1 on B, like that, 1. And then O is there, so 1 on O, downside. Then one more O is there, so 1 more, like that. Then AB is there, so 1 on AB. After that O is there, so 1 more on O. Then A is there, so 1 more on A. Then O is there, so 1 more on O. And after that B is there, so 1 on B. Then A, then O again. So 1 2 3 4 already there. This is 5, as you can see here. I hope you know that, because when after 4 we have to put 5, like this. So like this we can count and we can make the telegraph. So I am making it. So by observing the table, I have made all the tally marks. Now on the basis of this tally marks, I will write the frequency. As you can see here, this is the symbol of 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. And how many there are? 4. 5 plus 4, it becomes 9. Here 5 plus 1, 6. Here 3. And here 5, 5, 10 plus 2, 12 are there. Okay, so you can do total. This total should become 30 only, because they have given the 30 students data. 9 plus 6, how much? 15. And 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. And plus 10, 30. It's come 30 only. So it means it is our correct frequency table, we can say. This is, we have made what? Frequency table. See, they have said in the question that we have to make the frequency distribution table, where we have to show the frequency. As you can see here, we have shown the frequency here only. See, frequency. Okay, now what they are asking, which is the most common and which is the rarest? Rarest means which came least, that is called rarest, and common, which came more blood group among these students. So let's find out. As you can see here, 12 is the number which came most. 12 is the frequency which came most. So it means more students are having O blood group. So we can say this is the common one. This is the common blood group. Which one is the rarest, which came least? 3. This came least. So it means AB blood group is there, who is having the least students. So we can say this is the rarest. So in this way we can found the answer of first question. I hope it is clear. Now in question number 2, you can see here the distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows, and they have given this much data, and this data is different from each other, 5, 3, 10, 20. So it can be called as a large data. Now what they are saying, just pay attention. Construct a grouped frequency distribution table. Whenever they are asking about grouped frequency, it means we have to use class intervals. Okay, as you can see, it is a large data, so we have to use class interval. As you can see here, they have given also, we have to use class interval as 0 to 5, in which 5 will not include. It means 0 to 5 is there, so here the numbers will come 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 will not include in this one. The 5 will include in the next interval, that is, you can say 5 to 10. So in this one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, till 9 numbers it will include in this interval. 10 will not include this one. Okay, that is type of table we have to make. Okay, but right now I'm not going to do this question because I'm going to do third question. It is also like this only, but here more parts are given, so that's why I'm doing this question. So when I will do this question, so it will be clear how to do the second question also. Just check the question number 3. The relative humidity in percent of a certain city of a month of 30 days was as follows. It is given humidity was measured here 98.1, 98.6, 99.2. So it is a very high humidity. Okay, and the high humidity we can see in rainy seasons. We have seen that rainy season it becomes too much humid. That weather becomes too much humid. We can see that too much chip like that. Okay, so 98.1, 98.6, 99.2 and so on, these are given. So it is also a large data, so we have to make what? Construct a grouped frequency distribution table with classes 84 to 86, 86 to 88. It means how much gap is there? 86 minus 84, just check, it's coming 2. So it means we have to take class size of 2. Now how I will make? Let me show you. So you can see here I have made this group frequency distribution table where I have used class intervals of 2 size, 84 to 86, 86 to 88. What is the class size is there? 2. Gap 84 to 86, then 86 to 88. Now in 84 to 86 which numbers will come? 84, 85. 86 will not include in this interval. 86 will include in downside one. In downside one, 86 to 88. So 86, 87 will come, but 88 will not come here. 88 will come downside in this way. Let's see. Now the question is, sir, where we have to, till where we have to write? Just check which one is the largest data is there. 99.2 is there. It means we have to take till 100. Okay, so that's why I have written till 100, 98 to 100. Now just check which number is coming in which one. First one is what? 98.1. But our first interval is what? 84 to 86. So I am not using here tally marks. I will use directly like 84, 85. Which these two numbers where it will come. Just check. 84 is there. 84, 84. 86.5. It is more than 86. It will not come in first interval. 84, 85, 84, 85, 84. Yes, 84 is there. This one. One is there. Any other is there? Just check. No other is there. So only one will come in this interval. So we can say this frequency is what? I can use blue pen here. 1. What is the frequency of 84 to 86? Only 1. Now I have to check from 86 to 88. How many are coming? So we have seen just 86.5 was there. This is. And we have to take till 87 because 88 will not come here. So 86.5 is there. Any other is there? 89. It is more than 87. No one is there. So in this one interval also 1 will come. Okay, frequency 1 will be there. 88 to 90, and it means here what will come? 88 and 89 will come here. So 88 and 89. 88 and 89. 88 and 89.2. It is more than 89. So it will come here. Let's check. We will check later. 88, 88, 89. So see, 1 is there. And this one will also come because here we have seen 90. So 90 should not come, but less than 90 can come here. In this interval, less than 90 can come, but 90 will not come here. 90 will come in downside. So our two numbers are 89.2. It is less than 90. Definitely we will include. And second 89. So these two numbers will come in this interval. So we can write frequency 2. So like this we can find the frequency of all of these. So let me find out. So as you can see, I have found out the frequency of all these intervals. And then when I have done total, so 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 7, 26 plus 4, 30. It's coming 30. So it is correct. Why it is correct? Because here also in question they have said for a month of 30 days. See, it is given there, 30 days. So it is coming 30. So it means our frequency is correct only. Now what question they are asking on the basis of this frequency distribution table? They are asking first question. Construct a group frequency distribution, which we have already constructed. First part done. Second part, which month or season do you think this data is about? You have seen that 98.1 humidity is given, 98.6 humidity is given, very high. You can say that humidity is given in percentage, and the least one is 84.9. So it is very high, and this type of high humidity we can see in only one season, that is rainy seasons. So we can say the second part answer is what? Second part, which month or season? So it is season. Which season? We can say rainy season. It is of rainy season. This data is given of rainy season, because in rainy season only we can see this type of humidity. Now third part, what they are asking, just check. In third part they are asking, what is the range of this data? Range. Now very good question. Range. What we have to find out? Range. So range formula is maximum value minus minimum value. Maximum minus minimum. So we have to check out of this which one is the maximum value. That is 99.2. It is the maximum value. And what is the minimum? That is 84.9. So maximum minus minimum. We can find the answer, that is range. So maximum is what? Maximum is 99.2, and minimum is what? Minimum we have just find out 84.9. If we subtract them, so answer will come 14.3. This is the range. This is the range of this data. So range means maximum minus minimum. So in this way we have done question number 3. So now students, we will do question number 7. Question number 4, 5 and 6 we will do by yourself, because they are based on question number 3 and 1 which we have done already. Now question number 7, just check. The value of pi up to 50 decimal places. 50 decimal places is given below. 3.1415926 and so on. So after decimal, these are how many digits? 50 digits. These are given 50 digits. This one after decimal, this one. Okay. Now what they're asking, make a frequency distribution. Now see, they didn't said grouped, so we don't need to make class interval here, but we have to make simple frequency distribution table from digits 0 to 9. Now these 50 digits are given. These are from 0, either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Not more than that. Okay, see, these are only there. Some will repeat also. So we will take a frequency distribution table where we will write the numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we will check how many times 0 came, how many times 9 came, how many times 4 came, and other numbers. Then we can find out the frequency. Let's find out. So as you can see, I have made the frequency distribution table where I have written the digits from 0 to 9. Okay, and then now I will use tally marks, and then I will write the number of items, that is frequency. So I need that book, that question. As you can see here, question number 7. This one, question number 7, just focus on it. So first one digit is what? 0. So I have to check how many times 0 came. Let's check. First, actually, we should start from point after point only. See, 3 we will not include here. We will not include this 3, because this 3 is what? Whole number. We have to use only decimal digits. See, 50 decimal places. So after point, what is the first digit? 1. What is the first digit? 1. So what we will do? In front of 1, I can put one tally mark like this. Okay, like this thing only we are doing, no? Tally mark we are putting. So in front of 1, I have put one tally mark. Then just check second one, question number 7. Second digit is what? 4. So in front of 4, I have to put 1. In front of 4, 4. In front of 4, I have put it 1. Then I have to put one number in front of. Again 1 is there. So again in front of 1. Then what is there? Then there 5 is there. So I have to write in front of 1, 5. So like this, I will check the number and I will write a tally mark. So I'm writing it fast. So now as you can see, I have made all the tally marks here. Now I can count and I can write the number of items, that is frequency. 0 came 2 times, 1 came 5 times, and 2 came 5 times, 3 came 5 plus 3, 8, 4 came 4 times, 5 came 5 times, 6 came 4 times only, 7 also came 4 times, 8 came 5 times, 9, 5 plus 3, 8 times. Now I need to add all of them, and these additions should come 50 only, because they already said these are 50 decimal numbers. Just check it is coming 50 or not. If it is not coming 50, then it is wrong. So 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 4, 24 plus 5, 29, 29 plus 4, 33, 33 plus 4, 37, 37 plus 5, 42, 42 plus 8, 50. So it is coming 50 only. So it means this tally marks and this number of items which we have made, it is totally correct. So now we can move towards the second part of this question. Question number 7. First we have to make frequency distribution table, which we have already made. Second part, what are the most and the least frequently occurring digits? So which digits came most number of times, and which digits came least number of times? That one we have to find out. So easily we can find out. As you can see, 0 came how many times? 2 times. Is any the other number which came this much less time? No. So we can say least occurring digit. Which one is the least occurring digit? That is the 0 only. We can say least occurring digit is what? 0. Okay, most occurring digits, frequency, whose frequency is more, that is the most occurring digits. 2, 5, 8, 8, 8. So there are 2 digits are there, like 3 which came 8 times, and even 9 also came 8 times. So there is a 2 answer. We can say 3, most occurring digits are 3 and 9, because they both came how many times? 8 times. So in this way we have completed our question number 7. I hope it is clear. Now after question number 7, 8 and 9 are there, which are based on the same pattern. So I will skip 8 and we will do question number 9. A company manufactures car batteries. What they are manufacturing? They are making car batteries of a particular type. The lives, or you can say the life of these batteries given in years of 40 such batteries. Okay, 40 batteries are given here and their life is given. Okay, how many years they last? So 2.6 years last first battery, and then the years given 3 years, 3.7 years. 3.7 means 3 years 7 months, like that. So construct a grouped frequency distribution. Now what we need to construct, that thing you have to read carefully. They are making grouped frequency. See, grouped means class interval. Okay, for this data using class intervals like size 0.5 starting from 2 to 2.5. Now size is what? 0.5, not even 1. So it means 2 to 2.5, then 2.5 to 3, then 3 to 3.5, then 4 to 4.5, like this we have to use. Okay, so just this is the only part we have to make the grouped frequency distribution table. So by taking a check on this one, observing this, we can start our making grouped frequency distribution table. So let's make it. So as you can see in copy, I have made the grouped frequency distribution table here. Okay, life in years, then tally marks, and the number of batteries. So life I have written like 2 size is given, 0.5 size is given, which is starting from 2, because the 2 is the minimum and the maximum is 5. So we have taken till 5. So 2 to 2.5, then 2.5 will repeat, 2.5 to 3, then 3 to 3.5, then 3.5 to 4, then 4 to 4.5, at last 4.5 to 5. Now remember, here the value can come till 2.4. 2.5 will not include here, it will include in the second interval, remember. In the same way, here in the second interval we can include the values till 2.9. The 3 will come downside. In this way we will do this one. Now let's see this for tally marks. Question number 9. First one is what? 2.6. So where it will come? 2.6, just tell me. 2.6. This 2.5, it will not come here. 2.5 to 3, so it should come in second interval. So I have written one tally mark here. Okay. Then second is what? 3. What is the second value? 3. Just check in question number 9. 3 is there. So 3, where will come 3? 3 will not come here. 3 will come downside. Go to the last, it will in second interval it will come till 2.9. So 3 will come here, where it is written 3 to 3.5. So it will come here 3. Then 3.7. So 3.7 it will not come here, but it will come in this one, because it is 3.5 to 4. So 3.7 will come here only in 1 to 3rd 4th class interval. Then what is there? 3.2. 3.2, where it will come? It will come in the second one. In this way we can observe and write the tally marks. So now I have written all the tally marks. Now we can count and we can write in frequencies. How many times numbers came between 2 to 2.4? 2 times. Then between 2.5 to 3, 5 plus 1, 6. Between 3 to 3.5, 5 plus 5, 10. Then 10 plus 4, 14. It is the most frequency. Then 3.5 to 4, how many? 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. Then 4 to 4.5, these are 4 only. At last, from 4.5 to 5, 3 only. So we can write 0, 3, 0, 6, 0, 2. Okay. Now we can add them. How much it should come? It should come 40 only, because they already said in the question these are 40 such batteries. 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 11, it should come 33 then 33 plus 4 37, and 37 plus 3 it should come 40 only. So it is correct only, because they have given in the question also these are 40 batteries. So our grouped frequency distribution table is over. We have made by using class intervals, which is already given that class sizes we have to take 2 only. So we have taken 2 gap, sorry, 0.5 gap. We have given 0.5 gap. That one only we have taken 0.5 size, 2.5, 2.5 to 3, like that. Telemarks we have used, and we have returned the number of batteries, or you can say frequencies. Okay, this is our question number 9, and here we have completed our exercise 14.2. Now next heading is coming graphical representation of data. It means this time data is given and we have to represent them through graph. Now there are types of graphs. You can see bar graph, histograms and frequency polygons. But this time CBSE has given for 9th standard only bar graph. It means histogram also cutted, removed by CBSE, and the frequency polygon also removed by CBSE. So you need to do only those questions where you have to draw bar graph. Okay, so we can move towards the questions. See, histogram already cutted, okay, and frequency polygon also removed. So we will move towards the questions which are given in exercise 14.3, and then we can do only those questions where we have to make the bar graph. So just you look at the first question. A survey conducted by an organization for the causes of illness and death among the women between the ages of 15 to 44 years. It means these women are given and survey is done on them, and they are checking that how many women are there who died and because of that illness between the age of 15 years to 44 years worldwide, not only in India but worldwide. Then they found this much data or information in their survey, and they have written the causes here, medical terms, and the female fertility rate 31.8, 25.4 and many more are given, that this much percent women died from this reason. 25.4 percent women died from this reason. So these are reasons are given, and the percent in which that female fertility rate is given here. So on the basis of this, we have to draw what? Represent the information given above graphically. When they're using the word only graphically, so we have to make only bar graph. Let's draw the bar graph of this information. So as you can see, exercise 14.3 question number 1 we are doing, we have to make bar graph of that information which is given in the question. So I have taken y-axis and x-axis. As you can see here, upside I have taken female fertility rate, which is given in percentage. As you can see here, percentage is given 31.8, 25.4, 12.4, 4.3, 4.1, 22.0, which is the minimum 4.1, which is the maximum, that is 31.8. So I have taken a equal size. You can see I have started from 4 because the minimum is what? 4.1. So that's why I have started from 4. 0 to 4, then 4 gap 8, then 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 4 24, plus 28 plus 24, 28 plus 4 32. So I have taken till 32 because here the maximum is 31.8. So you can see I have taken this interval according to the data given in the information. Okay, so remember we have to take equal gap here from 0 to 4, then 4 to 8. In every gap 4 gap is there. Okay, so I have taken this one. Now downside, what we have to write? Causes. What are the causes? Causes are this one. So it is not possible to write this full reproductive health conditions, injuries, cardiovascular conditions, neuropsychiatric conditions. This is not possible to write these conditions here. So I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 means reproductive health conditions, second means neuropsychiatric conditions, third means injuries, fourth means cardiovascular conditions, fifth means respiratory conditions, sixth means other causes. So I have written by numbers here. You can see here causes. Okay, and then I have drawn the bar. As you can see, first one, reproductive health conditions. How much? 31.8. So I have taken scale. Okay, and I have checked from here till where it will go. See, 28, then 29, 30, 31, 32. It means 4 are there. So 30 will be middle and 32 is here. It is what? 31.8. So 31.8 just before 32 only now. So I have made here 31.8. It is how much? 31.8. Okay, that is the first one. That is reproductive health conditions. If you want to write, you can write inside also. Okay, if you can write. Then second is one what? Neuropsychiatric conditions. That is 25.4. So So 25.4, it will come just before 24. See here, 24 is there, 28 is there, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 26 will come in middle. So before just half line downside will come. So this is the 25th, just above the 24th, but before the middle line. So it is coming 25th here. So I can write here 25.4. This is what? Neuropsychiatric conditions due to which this much women's died. Then comes what? Injuries. How many injuries? Injuries are given 12.4. So 12.4, it is already 12 is there, just above this one, little above, that is called 12.4. That is what? Due to injuries, this third part. Then fourth part is given, what reasons is given? Cardiovascular conditions. How many? 43. Sorry, 4.3. How much is given? 4.3. So 4 is there, just above this. What is that? 4.3. This is the reason of what? Cardiovascular conditions. Then next is coming respiratory conditions. What is coming? Respiratory conditions. Fifth point. Respiratory conditions. How many? 4.1 only. The least one. So I have taken just above the 4.1. Less than 4.3. It is 4.1 only. That is what reasons? Respiratory conditions. Then at last they have given other causes. How many? 22. So it will go upside. 20, 24. So between them it will come like that. 21, 22, 23, 24. 22 is here. So I have made just in the middle line. That is called 22. Okay. So these are the 6 reasons which we have depict through the bar graph. Okay. Now on the basis of this they have asked some questions. Just check here. First we have to represent. We have done. Second, which condition is a major cause? Major means main cause. Major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide. So that reason will be the major which are having the highest frequency. Just check here. Which one have the highest frequency, highest bar? As you can see, this is the highest bar height. That is what? First one. First one is what? Reproductive health condition. As you can see here. Reproductive health conditions. How much? 31.8. So we can write answers. First part is what? First part we have made already, the graph. Second part, reproductive health condition is the reason for the ill health and the death worldwide. Second, they are asking what question? Try to find out with the help of your teacher any 2 factors which play a major role in the causes, in the above being the major cause. Okay. So first one is coming what? Reproductive health conditions. So what can be the reasons that women are died because of these reasons? More women are died because of these reasons. क्या कारण हो सकते हैं? First reason can be that there are lack of what? Medical facilities for those women who are pregnant. We can say lack of medical facilities. And second one what? We have seen that in villages and remote areas, many persons are there who are claiming that they are doctors, but they are not doctor. They are claiming that they are doctor, but they are not doctor. Actually what happened? Those people have worked in hospitals as a assistant of doctor, or you can say as a ward boy, and then they are claiming in village that they are doctor, and they are taking high fees from the villagers, those who are unaware of this knowledge. So we can say lack of correct knowledge also. See, reproductive health conditions, second part. Third part is what? 2 factors. First one is lack of medical facility, that is the reason for the death of these one. And second one is what? Lack of correct knowledge of treatment, because many people don't know how to treat the women, those who are pregnant. So in that condition what happens? Sometimes that women have to died. They are dying because of the wrong treatment. So we can say lack of correct knowledge of treatment. So these are the 2 reasons for that reproductive health conditions. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now if you are moving towards question number 2, so here also you have to make bar graph, and you can make it like that only as we have made in question number 3, question number 1. In question number 3 given below are the seeds, and we have to make a bar graph. So again this one also you can do by yourself. Now come to question number 4. What they are asking? They are asking draw a histogram. So as I told you, histogram is already removed by CBSE for this year, so we will not do this question. Fifth part, this one is also based on histogram. So this one also cut it by the CBSE, because these are questions are not going to come in the exam. See, based on histogram only. Then frequency polygon, this is also removed by CBSE. This is also not coming. 7th, this is also what? Frequency polygon, so it is also not coming. We have cut it this one also. Then come to 8th one. Here also they are asking to make what? Histogram. So here also we can cut. 9th, based on frequency polygon, so this is also not coming. So it means very easy. It becomes very easy. So you have to solve. You have to practice only those bar graph which are based on bar graph, which are made on bar graph only. So you can take help of other books also. So do those questions only which are based on bar graph. Okay. So here we have completed this exercise also. Now the last one, last heading is coming, measures of central tendency. Now very good news for you. CBSE have removed this one also. See, it means 14.4 exercise full removed, fully removed, full removed. So what it means? It means you have to do only this exercise, which we have done 14.1, 14.2 we have done, and then 14.3, 14.3, these questions which are based on bar graph, and your chapter is over. Full chapter is over. You can see here. See 14.4, after that nothing is there. So we have completed our chapter number 14 also.
At last, I just want to say be safe and God bless you all.